Hi and welcome back to my channel. Start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed before, just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of new videos that I put up. Today we're looking at two wagons that I got from Derails. And this one is the Hornby 50th anniversary box van, and its numbers R60086. I paid I think it was about £18.50 for this. It's not a bad van really. It's got metal wheels. I got it because it's an anniversary wagon, so hopefully there'll be collector's items in years to come. Probably once I've snuffed it. You got some under frame details there. And the brake shoes are in line with the wheels. It's not very heavy. It's really light. It's not a bad little wagon. (1972 to 2022). It's not sprung buffers. They're just solid buffers. Not that you thought they'd come with sprung buffers really. It's got a big decoupling on it there. It's been riveted on. I don't know why Hornby don't do the name pockets on all the wagons nowadays. Instead of putting these ones on, especially ones that's riveted on, so you can't change them. Well, you can change them, but you'd have to drill out the rivet and then change it. Made in China. Everything's made in China, isn't it? Including COVID. That was made in China. Okay, we'll take a look at the second wagon that I got now. Hi, and this is the second wagon that I got. It's a Hornby one, and it's R60005. It's BR, and it's X LMS, and it's a track research CCT van, and its numbers RDB 97 5667, and I paid $22.50 for this. And to me, this is how the Gauge Master wagon should have been on my last video, the track cleaning one, because this has got proper details on it, as you can see. And it's a very good paint job on this, because even down the sides, that white line is continuous all the way in the middle and on the top. There's no break in it at all. So it does go up the sides of these bits that stick out the wagon. And it's from a RTC rake that I've got to go with my Class 24, the Bachmann Class 24 sound fitted loco. And then I've got the two coaches, and then I've got that Gauge Master cleaning van. It's quite nice detail on this one. You can see there the handles for the brakes, and then the leaf springs for the bogies. Again, it's not got sprung buffers. It's a nice end detail on it there. Now, as I said, the white lines are continuous. Not a break in it at all. So very good painting job on this. We see the brake handles in the middle of the wagon, and on the other side it's more to the right of the wagon. You have to be careful with the bits hanging down there, because you could easily snap them off. And these have got name pockets on them for couplings. And this is an older wagon. Well, it is in the numbers anyway. And that's where the brake handles go into the servo there to work the shoes on and off. Again, made in China. I say the details quite nice on this wagon. I say I wish the Gauge Master was like this. As you see, the brake levers in the middle of this side. But on this side it's more to the right. It's just a short video, this, and Wish to say hi to Danny at South Line, Southern Line. And I want to thank him for sending me the card from Andy's funeral and some stickers he sent me as well. So thank you very much, Danny, for that. Okay, well, I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll upload this video, and hopefully you enjoy having a look at these wagons. Let's say, I really like this wagon. I just wish that Gauge Master was the same. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll say bye for now.